Do you want mind-blowing orgasms? Like many more than you actually currently have? Would you like to feel super attracted to your partner like you met in the beginning? Would you like to feel transcendental sex, almost like you feel one with the universe and like you're having a spiritual experience? Well, these things are actually possible, and we have a hack for it in the tantric world. It's the non-coming. Ooh. So, what is the 21-day challenge? It's the challenge where you don't have spasm orgasms. That means for men, you don't ejaculate for 3 weeks, and for the women, you don't have clitoral orgasms for 21 days. But the key is you have to stay sexually active. Masturbate, have sex, all the good stuff. And if you do that for 3 weeks, you might experience some incredible changes. You might feel so much more in your body, so much more pleasure, better energy, better mood. Like your sex drive might go through the roof. So I'm just warning you. But, who doesn't want more sex and more good sex? Seriously, your sensitivity is gonna come back, feel so much more attracted to your partner, especially if you've been together for a long time, and things are a little boring. Then not coming with your partner can really rekindle that honeymoon feeling that you had when you first met. So where can you find this challenge? On 21daychallenge.com, and it's free, guys. It's free, so sign up and just try it. Good luck!